I am Emily. Join me as I introduce you to comprehensive Google Sheet Masterclass, a practical step-by-step data analysis with Google Sheets. You'll learn by solving real business scenarios. Join us. In this course, you will learn how to solve real business problems by collecting real data through Google Forms and analyze it with functions, formulas, pivot tables, and dashboards in Google Sheet.
This course is set up for everyone learning data analysis, Google Sheet, or Excel. At the end of this course, you will be able to clean, manipulate, analyze, and present data for quality decision-making. You will work with real business problem. You will be guided to generate your own data, use formulas to analyze it, and use pivot tables to design interactive dashboards while you solve the problem.
Meet the course facilitator, a Google certified data analyst. With over a decade of experience in data analytics and helping organizations take data-driven decisions. Trust me, you are in good hands.
Data analysis skill is key in our world today. Do you want to improve your status at work? Or you want to attract potential employers with your skills? Sign up for this course today and be the best.